Okay, so we got a Bryant unit with the bad capacitor over here. Let's go take a look at how this capacitor looks here. So if you notice this capacitor here, okay, it's swollen up on the top. Okay, you also notice it's made in Mexico. These Mexico capacitors, they don't last too long. So we're just going to change it really quick here. We're going to put a better capacitor. This one's made in the USA. You can see the big difference, right? So this is going to work a lot better, right? Let's go with, I'm pretty sure just by looking at it, it's going to be a hermetic. Yeah, there's going to be a hermetic. Put this one. This is going to be your fan. This is going to be your power. This is your common. So if you notice, your common is going to go from your contactor here. Your hermetic is going to go inside your unit, which is your compressor. Then your fan is usually always going to be your brown wire, okay? All right, let's see what happens now. Alright, so if you notice here up on top, you can see it's swollen up there. Alright, thanks for watching the video.